not going to be pleased with your decisions. I'm telling you. I'm telling you.
Probably the black one's more fun.
Look at the toy. It's a new toy. It's a chew toy for the dog. Just kidding, you're not a dog. You're a horse.
Are you enjoying yourself?
What the heck?
That's it. Go show off to your buddies.
You got a toy?
You got a toy. Okay?
I'm not a horse. I'm a dog.
He's got a bone. He's a dog with a bone.
Oh my gosh. Oh, he's raking. He's raking.
Are you raking too?
Oh,
Oh, it jammed him in the mouth. Whoops.
no one's impressed. Nobody's watched the Phil.
No, Phil's sleeping.
Oh. Okay.
Are you trying to rake too?
Her horse is asleep.
Well, like, nap. Now what are you doing? You're gonna stand on it. There we go.
I'm not a horse.
Look at him. He like woke up because he hears a voice.
Oh, you're so pretty.
It's annoying, isn't it?
Yeah.
See, he's got to stand on everything. You know how I said you can't put a feed tub in the corner because he stands on it?
Oh my god.
That's what he's trying to do. No, you're gonna trip yourself, buddy.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Can you not work out how it's working now, buddy? Poor guy.
I'm not a horse, I'm a dog.
Look at him. He's such a weirdo. Don't break it. It's his fork now.
The defender of the floor.
You're gonna trip yourself again.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
You don't have to stand on everything. I see you, guy.
Oh my god. I'm just taking pictures and videos of you. You feel flattered?
Are you done now? You're good? You're